Elevate your Range Rover experience with the Ultimate Service Repair Manual, 2012 to 2021. Unleash the full potential of your 2012 to 2021 Range Rover L405 with our comprehensive service repair manual. Dive into the intricate details and unlock the secrets to maintaining, repairing, and enhancing your luxury vehicle. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a passionate Range Rover owner, this manual is your key to unleashing the true power and performance of your vehicle. Wrench what's inside. Magnifying glass tilted left engine expertise. Harness the power of the 3.0L diesel engine, TDV6, 4.4L diesel engine, TDV8, 3.0L petrol supercharged engine, and the mighty 5.0L petrol engine. Master the heart of your Range Rover with detailed insights and instructions. Automobile transmission triumph. Navigate effortlessly with the 8-speed automatic transmission, ZF8HP. Learn the nuances of this cutting-edge technology to keep your Range Rover running smoothly on any terrain. Hammer and wrench wiring wisdom. Decode the intricacies of the wiring diagram, empowering you to troubleshoot and solve electrical issues like a pro. Wrench body brilliance. From body closures to exterior trim, our manual covers it all. Explore in-depth guidance on body repairs, bumpers, glass frames, and more. Your Range Rover will gleam with perfection after you follow our step-by-step instructions. Man Mechanic DIY Delight. Become your Range Rover's personal doctor with easy-to-follow instructions on handles, locks, latches, and entry systems. Our manual empowers you to take control of your vehicle's well-being. Book's table of content highlights. Body system general information. Front and rear end sheet metal repairs. Interior elegance, instrument panel, console, and seating. Safety first, seatbelt system and supplemental restraint system. Tow bar triumph. Unleash the potential of your Range Rover's towing capabilities. Wipers and washers, visibility matters, and we've got you covered. Open book table of content overview. Body closures to roof sheet metal repairs. Handles, locks, latches, and entry systems to side panel sheet metal repairs. Glowing Star Why choose our manual. Comprehensive coverage from bumper to bumper. Expertly crafted instructions suitable for both enthusiasts and professionals. Accessible language and detailed illustrations for easy understanding. Unleash the full potential of your Range Rover with confidence. Gear equip yourself, don't just drive, drive with confidence. Elevate your Range Rover experience with the ultimate guide to maintaining and enhancing your vehicle. Your journey begins here. Shopping cart, get your copy now. Dive into the world of Range Rover excellence. Order your 2012 to 2021 Range Rover L405 service repair manual today and experience the road like never before.